The verdict is out. The Karnataka High Court today upheld the ban on hijab imposed in government educational institutions in the state and ruled that wearing of hijab by Muslim women does not form a part of essential religious practices in Islam. The three-judge bench led by Chief Justice Ritu Raj Awasthi said that the restriction on hijab is reasonable, constitutionally permissible, and that the students cannot object to it. In doing so, the court basically upheld the Udupi Pre-University Government College order prescribing school uniforms that banned hijab, as well as the Karnataka government's 5th February order that extended its support to the restriction. Reacting to the High Court order, Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai appealed for peace and also warned of action against those who would violate the law.
I request everybody in the society, in the parents, teachers, students, and those who are concerned about education to whatever the High Court has said, we have to see that it is implemented and peace and order is maintained. And I request all of them to maintain peace and order for the future education of our children, which is very important. For a children, education is most important than anything else, and High Court has settled the matter now. Hence, I request everybody to follow the High Court order and maintain peace and order and allow the children to do their education as usual.
The judgment was passed on petitions filed by several Muslim girls challenging the hijab ban imposed in government educational institutions. They had claimed that wearing a hijab is an essential religious practice in Islam. These girls had also argued that wearing a hijab was a part of their right to freedom of speech and expression, and that them sitting silently wearing a hijab or a headscarf in a classroom cannot possibly disturb public order. But the court judgment has now refused to strike down the government's hijab ban, ruling that such a restriction is reasonable under the constitution. This is Apoorva Mandhani for ThePrint. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.